tingin dito.
Darling, pursue and I can lose it all in that.
Siya yung angel.
Siya pasagutin mo, pre.
O angel. Pakpak angel, wings of angel.
religion. Angel loves.
Angel of God, my guardian gift. Your love is not to miss me.
Anong kanta yan?
Pakinggan mo muna, no?
Uy, tangin na naman ito.
Tay,
Pwede na.
inumin mo muna tay, habang
Wait
wala
lang,
pa.
meron kasi yan.
Pangarap ko ang makatapos mapagtrabaho.
My lady, come to me and take my hand and be my lady.
Barabo.
Barabo?
Barako. 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 Barato.
All I want is you. How I need you.
Tin.
So please be my lady.
Meron muna ako.
Maybe you can list the prayer if you just
Matuga na kayo, Pilay.
me.
Nakabigo na.
Say the words you long to whisper that I want to hear. Something's on your mind. It is hidden in your smile. Be my lady. Just forget the past. It's time to mend your broken heart. Knows the right so the tears in your eyes. Nothing can stop us now. I'll give you all. Be my lady. You're the one that I adore. So
Professor.
Professor,
boss namin.
I can never find the age to resist your charm. Nothing's more
Hindi
divine.
pwedeng pangalan, inumin talaga.
Itoy na lang, itoy.
May kasama ako.
You are mine. Be my lady. Just forget the past. It's time to mend your broken heart. No one's divide us now. So that the tears in your eyes. Nothing can stop us now. I'll give you all I have. Be my lady. Let the sun shine through your heart and make it bright star. Stay with me each night and day through the rest of my life.
Ryan
Just
muna
like
bago ikaw.
Ako muna.
Oh, Ryan niya, Ryan muna.
Tawag ko.
Just like a word of mine.
Wait lang, di gumagana.
Patay natin kinanta ni Gio. Todo.
Kaya palita si Teo yun, boy.
Kumbaga ano, pre. Kaya pa ibaba ni Teo yung brief niya.
Kaya.
Oh.
Sinalala mo.
Tin! 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 Tin!
Teo, last shot.
Tin! Nice one.